Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleansing and leaving skin slightly damp. This increases absorption but limits irritation. Once done, apply a lightweight moisturizer to create a protective cushion, then wait 1 to 2 minutes until it's tacky. Next, dispense a pea-sized amount of a low-concentration retinol and press it into face and neck. You're starting slowly, 2 nights per week, so your skin builds tolerance. This reduces peeling and redness while preserving retinol's benefits. Once you've tolerated retinol for a couple of weeks, introduce niacinamide to support barrier repair and reduce inflammation. Use a 5% serum in the morning or on alternate nights. If you choose to layer them the same night, make sure skin is dry after retinol, then apply niacinamide first to improve absorption and calm irritation. This order can vary with formulas, but drying first prevents extra sensitization. Gradually increase retinol frequency every 2 to 4 weeks while monitoring tolerance. You finish the routine by locking everything in with daily sun protection, SPF 30 or higher, because retinol raises photosensitivity. Make sure to reapply throughout the day. If you experience persistent redness or burning, stop retinol for a week and focus on barrier repair with a gentle moisturizer and niacinamide. Once calm, return to the last tolerated frequency. If problems recur, reduce concentration or consult a professional. This escalation and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.